What's going on, everybody? It is Logan with Socialverse. So I just wanted to make a cool little video showing this awesome automation that we set up for our agency. So as you can see, we've got customer inquiries here, support tickets, customer service inquiries. So this is a big thing that a lot of people will get when users fill out forms or different things throughout their website. And one thing that we set up is we created a form on our website for support ticket purposes. So what we can do is we can change all of these fields here, obviously, to whatever we want and collect different information and data from the customers or clients or users, whoever submitting this. In this case, it would be pretty much anybody that is a customer and they have a support question or error or anything like that. They can actually come in here, fill out this form, and then submit that, and it'll be a submit ticket that goes actually and gets uploaded into this customer inquiries. So we would see the name, the status that it's an open ticket, what team it belongs to, tags, CRM status, created time, update, notes on it. So essentially you could come in here and see, hey, there's a support ticket. Let's go take care of that. And as you can see at the top, we've got clear out 24-hour, make sure everything's replied within 24 hours, and then you clear it out. So once you've replied to a ticket or solved the ticket, you can essentially mark it with a new tag and it goes to closed tickets. But let's show you kind of more in depth. So it starts out with when a form response is created in Socialverse, which is our Integrately app, which we have connected to our website's API to pull in data. The other thing is we then filter that data by the support ticket, which is the form name. So we can set this up for multiple different use cases, obviously, onboarding, client response, a bunch of different things. But in this case, it's support ticket. So the cool thing is when this gets submitted, it obviously gets a tag name. So we can tag that form. And what we do is we pull that tag into Integrately and find it throughout the form that was requested. So as I can see, I can pull this up. I see all the data that's coming through. And then I can find the tag. So it's the contact tags for support ticket. And there's obviously a couple other places that you can find it. Form name. So what we do is once we have that, we actually filter it by that. We only want the submissions that come through with support ticket as the name. So then if that happens, the step continues. And what it does is it goes and creates a database item in Notion. So we've got all of these things and tags that we're getting set up based on the user, whatever they submitted. And then what happens is when they submit it on your website, or in our case, our website right here, that support ticket gets uploaded into here. Then we can essentially manage it on the back end.